Alrighty, I am even live. I didn't realize that. Alrighty, everybody. So welcome back. Let's continue from here on, and we will be focusing on next auth. And I have done better auth section. That means I'm able to implement the authentication using better auth. That is a good thing. Most of the things are gonna be similar. So this time we will be focusing on next auth. Not even next auth. The new version of next auth, that is Auth.js. We are gonna be focusing on that, and let's see how the things are gonna be going on. Okay, and. First of all, let's simply have a look at the things that we have covered so far, especially even in the Auth.js section, and after that I'll just continue from here on. So when it comes to Auth.js, just a sec, Auth.js, so I will be just going through the code really quick, and after that I will start coding, like kind of I will start learning. And just a sec. Alrighty. Let me do one more thing. Let me turn the chats off. There's like in the early morning, hardly people are gonna be here. Okay, so I hope I'm even audible right now. Let me check that. So I hope I'm I am. Okay, so let's continue from here. And how many things we have done so far? It turns out we do have many things here. Like first of all, we have this auth.ts file over here. I will be just having all the configuration related to auth. And this drizzle.config.ts simply tells about the drizzle and all, that's fine. So we are using drizzle over here, and it simply tells that okay, this is where the out migration should be, this is where the schema is, and this is what the dialect that I'm actually using PostgreSQL, and this is the credentials for that. And proxy.ts, this is the middleware that I'm actually creating, and everything goes through this middleware initially. Apart from this particular thing, that's so drizzle auth, and inside in environment.login, I mean environment.local, I have these environment variables, and then validation. Inside validation I have password related validation and all. Just after that I have my lib. Inside my I have utils hook, that these things automatically got created. And db, inside db I have drizzle.ts. From here I am actually getting the database client, and after that I have the schema over here, and I'm simply exporting it from here. So this is the schema that I'm talking about. Having said that, this schema could be ready using PG table, so that's what I'm actually using over here. And this PG table is actually coming from the drizzle PG core and all. Okay, no need to worry about that. After that, I have my components over here. Inside components, I have just shared CN components. And lastly, last but not the least, there are two things that I actually have in here. Inside my apps, I have logged in and I have logged out components. So inside logged in components, I have my logout button in my account. And inside logged out components I have login and register. When it comes to logout, over here I'm simply getting the session, and once I got the session, then I'm checking whether the session exists or not. If the session exists, in that case I'm redirecting to the my account, otherwise I'm rendering the children. Apart from this particular thing, same thing goes over here. First of all, I'm checking whether the session ID exists or not. If session it does not exist, in that case session not user ID. Ultimately, if the session does not exist, then I redirect the user to the login page, and this is how the things go on. And apart from this particular thing, this is the main page that we have, pretty simple, and this is the home page that we have. So these many things that we have actually covered so far, and quite good. Almost the basic stuff is done. Basic stuff in the sense, inside my auth.ts over here I'm just simply saying, by the way, this is optional, either you just make it a string, that's right. I'm simply exporting handlers, sign in, sign outs, and auth from here, from the next auth. Even I'm specifying my credentials. I'm just I have them email and password, they are empty because I'm gonna be creating them on my own, and because if I just mention them over here, they'll be created from the next I mean Auth.js side, that's I don't want. So that is why I am just simply mentioning the field properties, that's it. I'm not giving them any configuration and all. Apart from this particular thing, I'm simply getting the user. Again, credentials actually provides me everything. So credentials.email and users email and credentials email. So first of all, I'm selecting everything from this, and where users.email and credentials.email, they are equals to each other. If the user does exist, that means if the user does not exist, that means credentials are wrong. If the user does exist, then I will be checking with the password is correct or not. Again, I will be using bcrypt for that, and once I've checked whether password is correct or not, After that, if the password is also correct, I will be just simply returning this much thing from here. Authorize function expects it to be a string, so ultimately I have to convert it to a string. And here you can just return as many things as you want. Over here we are just simply returning those things, that's fine. Without callbacks in session, by the way, we do need to have the callbacks over here, otherwise we will never get the ID over here, sorry, email. So without callbacks in the session, you get the email, not the ID in the user object, and that is why we need to use the callbacks. By default only email is available, that's what I meant. So callbacks are gonna be here. First of all, I'm using JWT callback. Again, I'm getting token in user, and I'm just simply setting everything inside the token, mainly setting the ID inside the token because email is there by default. Similarly, I got the session and I'm simply saving in the session itself. Right now you have both the options. You will have token as well, you will have session as well. Token will also be available, session will also be available. You can use any one of them. You can just simply continue from here on. Having said that, we will be using something called session so that we can verify the user on the server side, and let's see what's gonna happen next, right? So these many things we have done. Apart from this particular thing, we have even implemented this over here. So when it comes to register, so in the register section we are just getting the things done manually. That simply means that we are getting the data in the sense we are getting email and password and confirm password. Once we've got them, that's it. We are calling action, that is just a sec, this is the action I'm talking about, of which register user. It simply takes these values. Once it took these values, it will just simply return the response, and in the response we are just simply checking whether there's any error or not. By the way, this response can be something like this. Oh, from here I will be getting my data if I'm not wrong, I can get my error if I'm not wrong, just like this. Having said that, I'm not that much worried about, I can even get the message if I'm not wrong. So yeah, there are many things. Let's go back. Response is gonna be here just like this. Let's even check how many things am I gonna be getting in the response. So mainly I'm getting two things, I'm getting error and I'm getting message in the response, not even data, forget about that. And once I got that, I'm setting this error to the email, and the message can be anything, message, response and all. Mainly setting it to the email because if there's an error, that will definitely be because of the email only. Again, getting the loading is submitting and all, that's fine. And once this particular thing is done, that's it, no need to worry about anything. Again, when it comes to the action, so I'm actually just saving the user. So inside the action, first of all, I'm checking the email, whether the email is right or not, and even I have password fields over here. Then I'm just simply validating them, parsing them, whether the kind of data that I got that is correct or not. After that, I'm checking the user validation. If that is right, then I'm just simply hashing the password. Once the password is new validation, once the password is actually hashed, I'm simply saving the user in the database, and that is it. Kind of, I'm not returning anything, and that's bad actually. I should be returning something from here. Never mind. Apart from this particular thing, if there's any error, then I'm just simply saying that an account is already registered with that address, otherwise error. Having said that, there is this problem. As soon as a user data got inserted, I will be returning, and I can just simply say that error is gonna be false over here. And message, I can just simply say that user registered, whether I use it or not, that's another case, successfully. And I can even just return my data from here in the data section, because I'm inserting the user over here. So const, don't know what will I be getting, so let's even check. What all do I get here? Ultimately I get these many things. I get a command, I get fields, I get rows, an array, rows, count and rows. So I'm gonna be getting my rows, and once I got my rows, so I will be returning rows.0 from here. So let's even make it response, that would even be a better thing. So this is actually gonna be a response. Once I have this response, then response dot rows, and I will be returning 0th index, and this is what is gonna be returned from here. And once this particular thing is done, by the way, this any error is causing the issue, so I can say error can be either let's make it unknown. Let's make it any for now, later I will be fixing it. Alrighty, apart from this particular thing, everything's done, and that's it. I will be getting my response over here. Once I'm actually getting my response, right now in my response I will be getting my data as well. So response.if you check, I'm gonna be getting my data too. Again, that's gonna be optional, but kind of I'm getting that. And once everything's done, I'm even there I'm setting that console. I'm just simply consoling the response. Fine, okay with this. Let's close this as well. When it comes to login, I'm just simply taking the help of what is that thing called? I'm simply taking the help of Auth.js and simply submitting the user. So it's like a login with credentials. I'm just simply giving it the email and password. That's it. It will get the job done from my own side. And I'm even pushing the user, and this will be set to the root error. And once it is actually set to the root error, at that time the error is going to be set to the root error. And I'm using something like inside my content I'm using a root error. Okay, form state errors root. So errors dot any particular error you can get, type if there is a field. So form state errors root error message, and then I'm simply showing that. It's gonna be just as simple as that. In order to show this particular thing, you will have to use something called form provider, and that's what I'm using over here too. Alright, when it comes to getting the field errors and all, so that time field dot invalid, then you can just simply get field dot error. Again, this is mainly gonna be coming from, and you are doing it like this inside an array, so it does take that inside an array, so we can't really do anything. But field dot error, field state dot error, you can directly get it from here, so you don't need to worry about it. And when it comes to this one, mainly this root error, so you will be getting the root error just like this. Having said that, I don't need to explore more. Okay, so this thing is done, and inside my account I have nothing. Inside my logout button, I have just simply this logout button, and I'm calling this logout server action, and I'm just simply we can't call them directly from the client. Next auth helper functions can only be called from the server. That's why we need to call them inside the server. Alrighty, one good thing is that when it comes to better auth, so better auth provides both. Better auth provides server methods as well and client side methods as well. But when it comes to Auth.js, it only provides the Auth.js servers related methods. That's it, nothing else. By the way, let's continue from here on. I will be playing the music in the background so that I can actually focus on learning, and this is how things are going to be going on. Let's go on.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
That's good. close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
Alright everybody, so that's it. Ouch, my mobile. So that's it for now. I just got some work, so I'll have to go, and within 20 minutes or something I'll be back, and then I'll continue from here on. Until then, take care, and we will just go through it. Like we were supposed to give it how long has it been? Just a sec. It's been one and more than an hour. That's good. So we have to give it 1.5 an hour more. So the timer is again going on, so we will be going with this particular one. I'm gonna be catching up within 20 minutes. Until then, take care and see you.